it's Megan here, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing my Ninja blender. I'm going to share everything I absolutely love about this blender and what you might want to know before purchasing it. So let's get into it. I was a little apprehensive to get a top-of-the-line blender. I kind of thought, what could this do that your kind of standard blenders can't? And I was pleasantly proven wrong, because this blender does everything and it does it perfectly. So I am very happy with the quality of this blender. I blend everything from smoothies to we'll do protein powder shakes. We grind our coffee beans in here. It does everything, and it does it in a really high quality as well. So the first thing I love is that it's incredibly easy to use. It has these very basic but very efficient functions down here. So you can kind of choose if you want low, medium, high. You can do the pulse. The feature I love, because I make a lot of smoothies, is it has a smoothie function. And when you turn this on, it has an auto stop. So it'll do your smoothie blend and then it'll stop when it is complete, which I absolutely love. The other thing I love is that it locks in place both at the bottom with a simple twist, and it also locks in place at the top. So when you put the lid on, you do have to match up the arrows, and then you can lock it in place with the handle. And then once you are ready, you just hit release to take the lid off. Now, the other thing that I really love is the pour top. This is great for if you are making something like a smoothie or a drink. You don't have to release the whole lid. You can just use the pour top to serve, which is just a really nice feature. Now, something you might want to know before purchasing is, because it is such an efficient blender, these blades are incredibly sharp. So you can see the blade itself actually removes for cleaning. I will say I have caught myself on these blades a few times, hand washing them. They are very, very sharp. So that's just something to keep in mind. It is really easy to clean. It is dishwasher safe if you do want to pop it into the dishwasher. More often than not, I hand wash it just so it is done and I can make my smoothie for the next day. And then the other thing you might want to know is it does come with a secondary blending cup. This is the one we more typically use for protein powder shakes, but you could also make a single size smoothie in this, and it locks in just like our other one does. And then it has your kind of more traditional 3-prong blade in there. And then when you're ready, you can just take it off and drink straight from the cup. So it's that nice single serve function as well. The other thing that I love, and you might want to know before grabbing your own, is that this blender is both hot and cold use. So I've not only made smoothies, but you can also make a soup or other hot food in here as well. You can process it through. So that is a great additional feature that it has. So overall, I am pleasantly surprised with this splurge on a blender. Very happy with the easy use and all of the functions that it has. And I hope you enjoy yours too.